Good day everyone, good day my followers and good day my viewers. So today is another episode on mathematics. So I'll be taking you to this topic which is area of a sector. So this is a past question JAMB 2019. Sit down, relax and watch. Find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 3 meter if the angle of the sector is 60 degree. So these are the options: 4 meters square, 4.1 meters square, 4.7 meters square, 5 meters square. Okay, so now a sector, this is a circle. Okay, so the angle is given as 60 degree. And what is the radius? The radius is 3 meter. So put your 3 meter here. And the cell should find the area of the sector. So area of a sector is given as pi r square theta over 360. Okay? So where pi is 3.142 is a constant. Okay, so now let's substitute inside here. Area A is pi is 3.142 times, what's my radius? My radius is 3 meter, which was given in the equation. 3 square times, what's my theta? My theta is 60 degree, which is the angle itself. 60 degree over 360. So what do we do here? Get your calculator ready. 3.142 times 3 square times 60 degree. You're having 1696.68 divided by 360. Okay, so divide by 360, you're going to have 4.713. Approximately, you go back to your option. The option there is what? You're saying 4.7, not 5. Okay, so you pick your answer as 4.7 meter square. Now, why am I putting meter square? Because it is what? Area. So that's what happens. So this is how you solve questions involving area of a sector. So this is the formula we're using what? Solving it. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. I still remain Teacher Patrick. Please like, share, and comment. Bye bye.